If you're still ending your workday at 8 p.m. feeling like you achieved absolutely nothing, I promise it's not because you're lazy. I managed to buy back 10 extra hours every single week just by swapping my old habits for these 8 free AI tools. At AI Fire, we don't believe in more tools. We believe in better workflows. So let's get your time back. I want to start with NotebookLM. It's a free tool from Google that acts like a digital librarian. Unlike regular AI, it only knows the files you give it. To get started, you just head to the site, hit Create Notebook, give it a name. Maybe I'll call this one 2026 AI Trends. Now imagine you're staring at a pile of 50-page market reports. Instead of spending all night reading, I just drop my AI white papers into the source bar here. It stays grounded in my data, so it won't make things up because it's limited to only my files. Now that the sources are in, I'm going to ask it to list some tips. In seconds, it connects the dots across every single document for me. The best part? I click Generate on this audio overview, and it turns that dry research into a 2-minute podcast discussion I can listen to while making coffee. Now, once you've done the research, you're usually in meetings. That's where Otter AI comes in. It's a free meeting assistant that transcribes everything in real time. The free plan is actually quite generous. You get 300 minutes every month. There is a 30-minute cap per call, but if your meeting runs long, you can just stop and restart the recording to keep going. Let's connect Otter AI to my calendar. You can see that it joins my calls automatically. It identifies who's speaking, so I can actually look at the person I'm talking to instead of my keyboard. After the call, I use this prompt to pull out the decisions and tasks. I haven't written a to-do list manually in a year. It just appears. Pro tip for you: spend just 60 seconds after the call correcting any technical terms the AI missed. Once that's done, you have a perfect record of the meeting that you can share instantly. Next up is Gamma. Let's be honest, most of us waste hours fighting with PowerPoint, fiddling with alignment, hunting for icons, and struggling to make things look pro. We're swapping that headache for this lethal deck builder. It's free to start, and the magic is that it handles 100% of the design work for you. Let's say I need a lesson deck for my community. I'll click Generate and type my topic here. It then builds the content, the layout, and the visuals in about 10 seconds. If a photo feels off, I just tell the AI to make this more modern, and it swaps instantly. It's the end of manual resizing forever. By the way, if you want these workflows handed to you daily, join 75,000 pros from Google and Meta in the AI Fire community. Next tool is Google Gemini. Now, while most people are paying $20 a month for other AIs, you have a massive advantage for free here because of how it connects to your Docs, Gmail, and YouTube. First, you should choose the Gemini Flash model. I use this because it's the fastest, it's free, and it handles massive documents without the quality dropping as you get to the end. For deeper research, you can use the Deep Research feature. It acts like a personal assistant that visits multiple websites, reads them, and writes a structured report with sources for you. But my favorite hack is for video. If you want to master a new skill without the effort, just paste a YouTube link. I'll give it this task. Watch this and give me 5 advanced tips. The problem this solves? Information fatigue. You skip the ads, the small talk, and the fluff. It's the fastest way to learn new things while making sure you get the core details in a fraction of the time. Then we have Claude. Right now, it's going head-to-head with OpenAI. But here's the secret. While ChatGPT is great for logic, Claude is the clear winner for natural writing. Most AI sounds cold, but Claude is different. I just use style training by uploading past AI Fire newsletters. Now, it knows my specific tone, so it sounds like me, not a robot. Instead of using the basic presets, I go to Create and Edit Styles and hit Create Custom Style. Here you can describe your vibe or, even better, upload a writing example. Once I've saved my AI Fire style, I'll use this prompt. Because it's trained on my actual work, the draft comes out sounding like it came from my keyboard, not a server room. The 6th tool is Google AI Studio. This is a powerful, pro-level developer workspace that Google lets you access for free. It's perfect for image editing. You just want to make sure you select Image from the Generation Model dropdown. Say I need a pro headshot but don't want to pay a photographer. I'll upload this casual picture and type my request. Look at the result. It keeps my face identical, but fixes my clothes and background for my brand landing page. The problem this solves? Costly studio sessions. It turns a casual photo into a high-quality brand asset in about 10 seconds for $0. Next is Perplexity. We are officially in the era of SEO LLM. Basically, instead of Googling and digging through 10 blue links, we want the AI to read the internet and give us the answer directly. I'll type my search right here. Notice how it doesn't just talk. It gives me numbered citations. Think of these as receipts to verify the truth. I'm asking for a specific deep dive into video automation. In seconds, it pulls the data and lists the exact sources from the last 30 days. If I'm unsure about a fact, I just click the citation and it takes me straight to the source. It's like having a built-in fact checker for your research. Finally, we have ChatGPT Canvas. This opens a separate workspace so you and the AI can edit the same document at the same time. To access it, just select the Canvas model. If I'm writing a long guide, I don't want a wall of chat text. I want a workspace. When you ask for long-form content, Canvas opens automatically on the right. I'll start with this prompt. Notice how the structured output stays in the workspace. Instead of copy-pasting to Word, I can refine individual sections without messing up the rest of the draft. Here's the game changer. You can use the tools in the panel or just highlight a sentence and type an instruction. I'll highlight this part and type, "Make it punchier." The problem this solves? The copy-paste nightmare. It's like having a senior editor sitting right next to you, fixing the draft while you watch until it's 100% ready to publish. So at the end of the day, productivity isn't about doing more work. It's about buying back your time so you can focus on building your digital organization. Don't try to do all 8 at once. Just pick the one habit you want to swap tomorrow and start there. If you're ready to stop guessing and start winning with AI, join the AI Fire community and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you later.